Hi, I'm Gillian Hannes from Nebraska Realty. Today I'm in the beautiful Regency neighborhood of Omaha in front of 9923 Broadmoor Road. This 1.5-story home is located in District 66. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Come inside and let's take a tour. Thanks so much for touring 9923 Broadmoor Road with me today. If you have any questions or you want to take a tour, please feel free to reach out to me at my contact information below. Have a great day, everyone.